Divorce can be a very difficult time for children. The initial coming to terms with the fact that their parents will no longer be living together, coupled with the uncertainty of what will happen to them, can result in a great deal of stress for children of almost any age. Custody is also referred to as residence, the more modern term. Custody and residence are terms we use to describe where the children will live after or during divorce. The other parent will usually have contact or access. Again, contact is the more modern term, but some people still call it access, with the children. Most parents are able to come to an arrangement between themselves about what will happen to their children, both during and after their divorce. If this isn't possible, parents can use mediation, where an independent third party mediates your discussions, or collaborative law, discussions between both parents with their lawyers present. If no agreement can be reached in these ways, or they aren't appropriate to your situation, you can ask a court to decide what's best for your children. This is one of a number of forms that is usually given to the courts together with your divorce petition, on which you can describe what you propose will happen to your children after you divorce. It's good to agree this with your spouse before you submit it. The court will listen to your children's feelings. Although the older the child is, the more weight the court will give to their feelings. When a marriage breaks down and the court is asked to look at arrangements for any children involved, their primary consideration will always be the children's welfare and needs. The financial provision for children is usually decided at the same time as other finances, especially if the person taking primary care responsibilities has much less wealth and assets than the other parent. The rule of thumb is that if one parent is taking the majority of responsibility for looking after the children, then the other must pay towards the children's upkeep. Divorce is an emotional time, especially when there are children involved. Specialist legal advice as to what to do and expect during the process can help you to understand what your rights are and decide what's best for your children. Getting this advice early on can hopefully reduce the likelihood of a long and drawn-out custody battle.